I'm Simon and I'm the School Engagement Officer at NPTC Group of Colleges, and we're just putting the finishing touches to our Year 10 Taster Days, which is an opportunity for pupils in Year 10 to come into college and have a flavour of what is on offer. It's a unique experience because they get to spend a full day following a curriculum of their choosing, and it really does shape what they decide to study after Year 11.
We're at taster sessions today at Neath College. We brought Year 10 with us to experience some of the A-level and vocational subjects that they could be doing when they leave in Year 11. I think so far they found it really beneficial to give them some insight into what they can expect when they leave school, and I hope it really helps them with their choices when they're picking their final options next year.
I just want to start by saying thank you for being so enthusiastic, so well behaved, and you've made today an absolute pleasure. So my first thing I would say is thank you to you guys and to the staff who've accompanied you. You've been great.